In this video, we listed the 5 best computer keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Machenike K500 Mechanical Keyboard. The K500 keyboard by Machenike boasts a variety of features designed to enhance the user experience. With 94 keys in a 90% layout, PBT shot keycaps for durability and clear backlighting, hot swappable switches, 20 RGB backlight options, and anti-ghosting across all keys, the K500 caters to both productivity and gaming needs. The keyboard offers an excellent typing experience with 3 Huano switch options, blue, brown, red, to suit different preferences. The hot swappable feature allows for quick customization without soldering, while the RGB lighting with millions of colors adds flair. The keyboard also includes a detachable Type-C cable for faster data transfer. With a focus on user comfort and functionality, the K500 blends aesthetics and performance seamlessly, making it a versatile choice for a range of users. Number 2. GK410 104 Keys Keyboard. The GK410 104 Keys metal panel mechanical keyboard offers a range of features tailored for gaming enthusiasts. With RGB lighting, 20 different light modes, and the ability to customize the lighting for different games, this keyboard provides a colorful and personalized experience. Unlike other brands, all keycaps, including Russian and Korean characters, are transparent, ensuring visibility even in dark environments. The keyboard allows users to define light settings, record customized lighting configurations, and reset the keyboard easily. It features ABS plastic keycaps, multiple switch options, a multicolor backlight, and compatibility with desktops, laptops, and tablets. With its mechanical operation style and certification standards, this keyboard from Name_null in mainland China provides a comprehensive and versatile solution for gaming and regular use. Number 3. LEOBOG High 75 Kit Keyboard. This keyboard is a hot swappable mechanical keyboard with a compact 82-key layout and RGB backlighting. It is compatible with desktops, laptops, and numbers applications with a USB interface. The keyboard is available in various colors and comes with an aluminum case. It is programmable and has a Type-C interface. The brand, LEOBOG, is certified with CE and the keyboard follows an ANSI layout. Number 4. UGREEN Rechargeable Keyboard. The UGREEN Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4G wireless keyboard offers a versatile and convenient typing experience with multi-device connectivity and multiple language options including English, Russian, and Korean. It features a dual-mode functionality allowing connection to up to 4 devices simultaneously, with easy switch options between Bluetooth and 2.4G modes. The keyboard boasts a rechargeable 400 mAh battery that lasts for up to 3 months on a single charge, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. With silent typing capabilities, system keycaps for different operating systems, and a comfortable ergonomic design, this keyboard is suitable for various environments, be it in the office or for gaming. The product specifications detail its key layout, membrane keyboard structure, compatibility with different operating systems, and a durable metal base with PVC keycaps. The package includes a warranty and service guarantee, offering a 7-day return policy, 24-hour delivery, and a 1-year warranty. Number 5. Langtu LT84 Mechanical Keyboard. The Sumrader keyboard with hot swappable switches offers a versatile typing experience with its slim, ergonomic design suitable for gaming, multimedia, and everyday use on laptops or desktops. This 84-key mechanical keyboard features a multicolor backlight and Bluetooth wireless connectivity, making it a multifunctional and portable option. Though lacking a full-size layout and wrist support, it appeals to users seeking a compact and customizable typing solution. The product, originating from mainland China, comes packaged with the keyboard and does not currently hold any certification.